Yeah guys. Hii inakaa small. This one looks a little bit small. These are traditionally women work, not men, but in the modern society, there are no jobs for men and ladies. You know, anybody can do it. So don't say, what are you doing? You know, you have to eat and yeah. And this is the way we do it. This is the way we do it. It's better than buying it in the shop. 100 times better. Hata nimemaliza. Lakini so quick.
Hiyo pinya kidogo.
Gani hii?
Eh.
Okay. See, I'm being corrected, guys. I haven't done it perfectly. I'm told I should stretch it further. Stretch it further. You see why it will be difficult for me to know the basics. That time when you are doing the killing, call it killing. That's where the challenge was. But now you told me it's 1 cup of water. That's okay. Guys, that's been so yeah. Let me see what much time is going. I'm surprised that this thing is able to take 2 videos. I thought it takes only 1. What's the time? 34. God. Okay. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Imeenda imeexceed. Imekata imeenda the next. Now I just let it go. Nitaikata tu hivyo. Nichukulie just kama wa saver. But he charges money, that boy. Yeah, I cannot do it. Now guys, we are continuing the film, the video. I've seen that we have got 34 minutes. That means we have exceeded a little bit, but that's okay. The shorts, maybe this period of it, I'll make it as a short. I'll talk to that guy and see whether they can be able to connect the two. Yeah, so we are about to finish. And this is the last bit. Now you are seeing everything right from the beginning to the end. We are about to finish making the chapatis. Yeah, it's I think roughly, good thing you can say, we are taking around 34 minutes when we started filming, just 34 minutes. It's not even 1 hour. And yeah guys, this is Victoria here from Kenya, Nairobi, East Africa, West Kamai, in the Kamai region, where we reside. Today we are making chapati time here. I don't know, let me see what's the time now. Oh, it's 15:32. That means 3 p.m., 3:30 p.m. Yeah, East African time, along the equator. Yeah, today it hasn't rained. It's starting to, in fact, time imekimbia. Can you imagine it's 3? Guys, I don't know, but this is the best position. Best position. Hi guys. We are making chapatis here. You can see the sister making chapatis, man. This is my favorite food. I know this is popular all over the world. It's not only in Kenya. But the thing is that I don't know how to prepare it, so I requested her to help me. So now I'm watching actually how she's doing it. See. Don't mind I'm sitting from far. I'm sure I'm not the one you are watching. You are watching the activity that is going on there. For those who don't know to make chapatis like me, today this is your D-Day to learn. After this you rush to the shop, buy the flour and try the process yourself. If you don't know how to make, this video is for you guys. Yeah. I don't know how I'm gonna make this video. We end up in 5 minutes. But I thought it would go for 30. Anyways, that's a process. I don't know, maybe. I'm speaking Swahili. We are Kenyans. We speak Swahili in Kenya, in East Africa. Tanzania also they speak very good Swahili actually. They sometimes brag to the country that speaks the best Swahili. But I don't take that really seriously because when you go to Mombasa, people also they speak as fluent as ever. But also Uganda to some extent, and most East African countries like Rwanda, Burundi, South Sudan, I don't know, I'm not very sure. Mali, all these countries they speak Swahili, and now it's being taught even in schools as far as South Africa, and even some countries in the north, like in the north, there is a vote. I don't know whether it has been agreed upon to teach Swahili as a main East African language. So that's the language. It's our national language here, beside English. But we have, besides all those, we have vernaculars, a lot of other small dialects, languages in between, but the main language is two, English and Swahili. So what we are using commonly in this, what we have been using this video, particular video, are mixed Swahili and English together. Now watch. The critical phase, the one that where you put the oil, I didn't know about the oil. Then this one also, I don't know. Then the kidding, this process, I don't know. This name, I've only little struggle to understand the name itself, actually. Kidding.
No, kneading.
No, kneading. Oh, you're saying kneading?
Yes.
K-N-A-E-D.
Kneading.
Kneading.
It's to knead.
Okay.
Kufinya. Unaona hata mafuta hatujatumia yote. Hatujatumia hata mingi.
Okay. Inakuwa rahisi when you're doing like that. This is chome.
Ndio hiyo. Hatujatumia.
So economical. It's not like mandazi. Mandazi will use oil. Now guys, we're talking about the quantity of oil we have used to make the entire of this 1 kg chapati here. And you can see I bought this oil for one situation in 120 I think I bought this for 130 and plus the flour and there was something a bit 200 and something. 205 or what? But how much is
that? Not 130.
Yeah, 130 and the flour 85. No. I think she charged me 205. If I'm not wrong, then plus sugar, the one that we used here. Let me show this one. This quantity of sugar I used to this one. This one I bought for 10 shillings and then pinch of salt. I don't know what quantity was the pinch of salt. Yeah, and then he didn't even use any oil. Actually, I have the entire oil here, guys. Nothing used. Just see. We have all the oil here, right here. Very less quantity we used to make the whole lot, more than 10 chapatis. See the oil? I'm impressed. This thing is captured up to 42. Wow, I hope it will be able to
show them now the chapati.
Yeah. So let me show them there because Nikilatapa. Guys, these are the chapatis we have made here. Quite a lot of it. Yeah. I made the chapatis ready to eat. They are ready, guys. Yeah, so thanks for watching. I don't think I will continue to do any further from here. I don't know what I should like to say. But this much was left. Only this much was left. The rest was all done. Now let me show you. On the 1 kg, this much was left. Okay. So I don't know whether I can test it. Let her come and then we can test it. Maybe she'll be the first one to test it. Yeah, it's always fair that she tests it. Then from there, then we say till the next time, guys. Till the next time. Yeah, I don't know whether I should cover them or we should just let them be like this, exposed. I don't know which is better. Yeah, guys, so I'm waiting for her. She has gone to tend her kid. There I was messing around. And this oil, it just stay here. I'll put it back there where it belongs, where I normally put it. Yeah. I don't know whether I should test it with it without. So let me test it. Yeah. Guys, let me show you the chapati. This guy, man, looking gorgeous. Look, I'm gonna enjoy this. It's just been prepared right now. It's hot, and you can see even the steam. The steam is coming off it. Let me take a bite. It's not good to eat when it's very hot. Nice. Nice, guys. So, I'm looking upward, guys. I'm enjoying this chapati. I'm gonna take this away from here, guys. Slowly, 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 like this. I was putting this against the light here and the window so that you could clearly see the entire process. Now taking it away from there. So let me do it like this. And I'm gonna finish this video right here. And I ask you to remain tuned for more videos to come. Yeah, we have made chapatis. The entire process is here, and it's quite hot, steaming hot, and quite a dozen of them, guys. Gonna mess my digestion. I won't eat all of it, because I wanted to test it. It was great, man. Made by an expert. Wow. Yeah, the chapati is right here. I'm finishing only this one. The rest, slowly, slowly, we eat them. Wow, fantastic, very nice. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Remain tuned. Please remember to share, to like, to subscribe, and comment down below in my channel from whichever part of the world you're watching me from. Remain tuned, guys. Remember, I need your help, guys. By you watching, you promote this channel to grow. If you happen to land on this channel accidentally, please, I request you to subscribe if you really wish to see me again, because when you subscribe and you click the bell, then you'll be able to see me whenever I upload. You'll be notified. Bye bye from Nairobi, Kenya. Bye.